Hi, 6th grade. Mrs. Close here. Today we're going to make fruit salsa with cinnamon tortilla crisp. I'm going to start by doing the cinnamon tortilla crisp, putting them into the oven, which is preheated to 350 degrees, and they will cook for 10 minutes, during which time we will make the fruit salsa. I've washed my hands in preparation, 20 seconds. I've also washed my fruit that has skins on it, like the grapes and the apple. I have a whole wheat tortilla. I've cut it in half. I'm going to fold it and again cut it into sections. So like cutting a pie, you have triangles. Then I'm going to spread the tortilla crisp on a sheet. You can use a baking sheet with parchment paper, or you can have foil lining it. Just makes for easy cleanup. I'm going to dab them with some melted butter. That gives a good flavor and also helps them to crisp. And then I'm going to sprinkle them with cinnamon sugar. Cinnamon sugar is a combination of white sugar and cinnamon. You can make your own using about 2 tablespoons of white sugar to about a half teaspoon of cinnamon. So now that they're covered with butter, I will coat them with cinnamon sugar, and then I'll pop them in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, should look about like that. Into the oven. 10 minutes. And on to the fruit salsa. In a small bowl, I've put about a tablespoon of lemonade concentrate. Now, when you buy frozen lemonade concentrate in the freezer section of the grocery store, you defrost it and you take out a tablespoon of that, put it in the bottom of your bowl, and your cut up fruits are going to go in there to create your salsa. Let's start with the apple. I've washed the apple really well, leave the skin on for color. And I've taken the core out, and I'm going to slice that into pieces, and then slice it again into pieces. And as soon as it's cut, I'm going to toss it in the lemonade concentrate. The reason for this, the whole reason for the lemonade concentrate is because it keeps the fruit fresh and from turning brown, and it also gives a nice citrusy sweet taste. So I just took the core out of the other piece of apple, total half apple that I'm using. I also have a banana, half a banana. I'm going to cut that into pieces. Toss that in, stir it around to coat it with the lemonade concentrate. Then I'm going to chunk up some pineapple. This happens to be some fresh pineapple. You could also use canned pineapple that you cut into pieces. You can vary your fruits. You could use pear, mango. I have a half of a tangerine or a clementine, the seedless type. I took the webbing off of it. I'm going to cut that in half and separate the sections and put those in with my fruit salsa. Give it a toss. And all that remains will be the grapes. You can use as many as you like, whatever color you like. I have some red seedless grapes here. I think I'm probably going to use about 4 because they're large and they're going to be cut up. I'm going to cut each grape into 3 pieces. once again, a toss with the lemonade concentrate. And your fruit salsa is ready to go. It's going to macerate or marinate in this lemonade concentrate, waiting for the chips to be done. And you're going to be serving it with a side of vanilla yogurt. The combination of those three things, the cinnamon tortilla crisp, the vanilla yogurt, and the citrusy fruits, is a really good, tasty combination. Hope you try this at home. Okay, we're going to take a pause.